What if the way you drive your automatic every single day is quietly destroying it? Not speeding, not racing, just normal everyday habits that feel completely harmless. Automatic cars are easy to drive, but easy doesn't mean you can't get it wrong. Today we're going through 6 mistakes that cost owners thousands in repairs. Some of these will surprise you. One of them almost every automatic driver does without thinking. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. Number 1. Shifting into park before the car fully stops. This one happens every single day in every car park in the world. And most people have no idea the damage it's doing. When you throw the gear selector into park before the car has completely stopped moving, the parking pawl, a small metal pin inside your transmission, takes the full force of stopping the car. That's not what it was built for. The parking pawl is designed to hold a stationary car in place. It was never engineered to act as a braking device. Every time you do this, you're putting stress on that pin and on the locking mechanism around it. Do it enough times and the pawl wears down. In worst cases it snaps. When the pawl fails, other components, the locking pin, the output shaft, can go with it. And if your park function fails on a slope, your car rolls. The same principle applies to switching between drive and reverse without a full stop. The transmission takes a hit every single time. Repair costs for transmission damage start around $3,000 and climb from there. The fix takes less than 2 seconds. Brake fully. Come to a complete stop. Then shift. That pause is the difference between a transmission that lasts 200,000 miles and one that doesn't. Number 2. Revving a cold engine. Every automatic car owner has done this. You start the car, you're in a hurry, and you drive away immediately. What's actually happening inside the engine during those first few minutes is why this habit is so costly. When the engine is cold, the oil inside it is thick. Cold oil doesn't circulate quickly and doesn't coat engine components the way fully warmed oil does. The moment you rev a cold engine hard, you're forcing parts to move at speed with inadequate lubrication. Metal moving against metal without proper oil coverage produces friction. Friction produces wear. And this wear is permanent. Cold engine parts, pistons, rings, cylinder walls, haven't fully expanded to their operating tolerances yet either. Driving aggressively before they reach that point creates additional stress on components that are already working without their full protection. On a warm day, let the engine idle for at least 1 minute before driving away. On a cold day, give it closer to 5. Then drive gently for the first few kilometers before asking anything serious from the engine. One important note: don't rely solely on the coolant temperature gauge to decide when the engine is warm. Oil heats up significantly slower than coolant. The gauge can show warm long before the oil is actually doing its job properly. Halfway through the list, and this is the one most automatic car owners get completely wrong. Subscribe now because the last 2 points are the ones that cause the most expensive damage. Number 3. Ignoring transmission fluid changes. Your transmission fluid does 2 jobs simultaneously. It lubricates the moving parts inside the gearbox and it keeps the system cool. Over time it breaks down, loses its effectiveness, and turns from a protective fluid into a problem. Good transmission fluid should be bright red or pink. If yours is dark, dirty, or has any kind of metallic debris in it, that's not a maintenance reminder. That's a warning that damage may already be starting. Bad fluid causes slipping, the sensation of the car hesitating or lurching between gears. It causes overheating. And eventually it causes full transmission failure. At that point you're not looking at a fluid change cost. You're looking at a repair or replacement that runs up to $1,500 or beyond. Many newer cars are sold without a transmission dipstick, which makes checking fluid less obvious. Check your owner's manual for the correct procedure for your model. Fluid condition matters just as much as fluid level. A full transmission running degraded fluid is still heading toward damage. Don't let anyone tell you transmission fluid is sealed for life. It isn't. Number 4. Driving through deep water. This one can destroy your transmission in a matter of hours. And most drivers don't know the mechanism behind why until it's already too late. Your automatic transmission has vents built into it, pressure release points that allow the system to breathe. In standard road cars, these vents sit low on the transmission body. Drive through deep water and those vents can allow water to enter the transmission directly. When water mixes with transmission fluid, the result is a thick, milky, contaminated mixture that breaks down the adhesive properties holding your clutch packs together. Clutch plates that lose this binding protection don't last. And the degradation happens fast, within hours of contamination in serious cases. The instinct after driving through water might be to drain and replace the fluid. But once water has been inside a transmission long enough to reach the clutch packs, fluid change alone won't undo the damage. In most cases, a full transmission replacement is the outcome. The rule is simple. If you don't know the depth, don't drive through it. If you're not in a vehicle specifically built for water crossing, treat any significant standing water as a hard stop. The cost of caution is nothing. The cost of getting it wrong is everything. Number 5. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. This one looks harmless. It feels harmless. And it's been quietly damaging transmissions for as long as automatic cars have existed. The weight of your hand resting on the shifter puts constant downward pressure on the shift fork and synchronizer inside the transmission. Not a lot of pressure. But it's there every time you drive, for every minute you drive, across thousands of kilometers of use. Think of it like leaving a brick on a patch of grass. One day, nothing. 1 week, a small dent starting to form. 1 year, a permanent impression. The cumulative effect of that constant pressure wears down the synchronizer ring, makes shifting feel loose and unresponsive, and over time degrades the internal linkage of the transmission. The engine and gearbox vibrations add to the problem. Every small vibration transmitted through your hand into the shifter is additional stress the system wasn't designed to absorb from that direction. The habit feels comfortable. That's exactly why it's dangerous, because it never produces an immediate warning sign. The damage builds slowly until shifting starts feeling wrong, and by then the wear is already done. Both hands on the wheel. Or use the armrest, not the shifter. Number 6. Skipping regular maintenance. Last on the list. And in terms of total money lost over a car's lifetime, this one beats every other mistake combined. Regular maintenance on an automatic car isn't just oil changes, though those matter enormously. It's the complete picture. Transmission fluid at the correct intervals. Brake pads before they reach metal-on-metal contact. Tire pressure and tread depth checked before they become safety issues. Spark plugs replaced before they cause misfires and carbon buildup. Filters cleaned or replaced before they force the engine to work harder than it needs to. Every component you neglect past its service life makes the components around it work harder to compensate. Dirty oil increases engine wear. Worn brake pads increase stopping distances and put stress on the rotors. Blocked air filters reduce combustion efficiency and increase fuel consumption. Each neglected item creates a chain reaction of accelerated wear across the whole system. The math on maintenance is not complicated. A consistent service schedule costs a predictable, manageable amount each year. A neglected car costs nothing, until it costs everything at once. Engine failure, transmission replacement, brake system overhaul. These bills arrive together and they're never small. If you're thinking about resale value as well, a poorly maintained automatic loses value fast. With used car buyers having more options than ever, a car without a proper service history is a negotiation that only goes one direction. Maintain it on schedule. Keep the records. The car that asks nothing of you is the one that gets everything it needs on time. 6 habits. All of them common. All of them expensive when they go unchecked. Shifting into park too early, resting your hand on the shifter, cold engine revving, neglected fluid, water crossings, skipped maintenance. None of it feels dangerous in the moment. That's exactly why it costs so much in the end. Your automatic transmission is sophisticated engineering. Treat it that way and it will last. Ignore it and it won't. Subscribe. We cover exactly this kind of content every week and there's plenty more coming. Now the comment section is yours. Which of these 6 habits have you been guilty of? Drop it honestly below. No judgment. Or tell us if there's a mistake we missed that your mechanic has warned you about. Let's get into it in the comments.